We are desperately looking for a home, and the inventory is not out there, and things go quick, and they go over ask, and it's brutal. So we need help.
Yeah, we're looking for a house, and it's dreadful.
We need a yard, you know, baby boy and bulldog, we need a yard bad.
When it comes to the home, I just want something that's a little bit more warm, not cookie cutter, something that has character for sure. And I want a beautiful kitchen. But my big thing is location, and I'm finally open to possibly not doing a complete turnkey, but more so a renovation and making something more to our personality.
We can't find a house that checks all the boxes.
Oh, this is cute.
All right, let's see what they got for us.
It's 2-story, that's nice.
Yeah, it's cute.
It's really nice.
It's a great little spot. You got a corner lot. The lake is a block away. Hi, guys.
This is cute.
It is, right?
Yes.
Come on in.
Thank you.
Oh, this is nice.
This is really nice. Yeah.
Very open, airy.
High ceilings.
Yeah.
It's great. It's nice and open. I like that.
Yes, I do too.
Very
Go on,
clean.
feel it out.
Yeah.
They're asking $985.
I'm just so focused on, we're gonna have to do renovations. I'm just interested to see what other neighborhoods are out there.
If this house were in Lake Forest,
Oh, done.
Yeah.
so that's really what we're looking for.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me go back to the office and scrub down everyone, see what they're coming up with. Okay, so now we know it's all about Lake Forest for them. I'm really hoping this next one will be a winner.
If I could pick a location, this is where it would be. So I just wanna know,
It's too good to be true.
yeah, it just makes me nervous. Oh God, is this
All
it?
right.
Jay.
Let's see what we got.
Okay.
Why is she looking at the house like that? Uh-oh.
Like what?
I don't love a ranch.
I know this is really one of your top areas of where you want to be.
Yes,
Okay.
for sure.
And if you find anything else on the market around here, it's not under $1 million. This house is going to be
true.
under $1 million.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Hopefully. Let me show you how a ranch may be able to work.
Okay.
Fair?
Love it.
Come on.
Love it.
Fair.
Can't beat the neighborhood, though.
No, you
Perfect.
can't. I know.
All right. Step in.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yikes.
Okay.
It's just dark. Like, I see 4 doors right here.
Okay.
It just feels very like,
Compartmentalized?
yes.
Okay.
Okay. So when you first walk in this house, you have the formal living room, a dining room behind that. And then in the back of the house, you have a great room or family room, kitchen, and then there's a sunroom. On the opposite end is where you have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Then you have a full finished basement already with another bedroom and bath ensuite.
And what we're both thinking is that we can easily open up both entryways so they're symmetrical and make the space feel more open. Getting all this done for less than 10 grand should be no
So
problem.
if you could have this nice open flow between all 3 spaces, would that make this kind of doable so far?
No, I like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's come in to the dining room, which then leads into the kitchen. What I'm thinking is we get rid of the peninsula.
Okay.
What if we elongated the kitchen all the way down to here
Okay.
to balance out? Look how much more space you get. Look how
Okay.
large that is.
Yeah.
But that would mean we'd have to put in a different window, something that starts
Yeah, 'cause
above the
that has to
counter.
go up.
Okay, but maybe we go wider with the window so you see more of the backyard.
Yeah.
Looks more panoramic, right?
I like that.
We could build a large island up the middle, move the fridge to the back wall, and put the stove in between the 2 windows there. We're talking all new cabinets and counters, and with higher end finishes, this kitchen is gonna run at least 60K. This is where you're gonna spend your money at.
Could this house start to work for you now? Are we painting a picture?
Yeah, we're getting there.
Yeah.
We're getting there.
So then you have the screened-in area here in this gorgeous backyard. I mean, really, look at this.
I mean, it's beautiful. So is this indoor space, outdoor space? What is this, lounge space?
We could create more livable square footage by leveling the floors and enclosing the entire space while adding panoramic windows to still see this beautiful yard. Then we could expand the opening where the door is to create one big open space.
Atlanta, that's
awesome.
amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It will bring your budget for renovation up.
That would cost around $30,000 to do.
So that's something to think about.
Yeah.
You don't have to look at me. Look at me.
Earmuffs. Earmuffs.
All right, let's check out the bedrooms and see how you feel.
Yeah, this looks renovated.
Yeah.
This looks
Yeah.
great.
This is the potential. This is it.
Yeah. The beams are beautiful. I love the pitch ceiling.
Yeah, very cool.
Take a look in the bathroom, see if this works.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
It's amazing. I love a
I
tub.
love a black and white tile.
This
This is nice.
So nothing to change here. The challenge with this house, there is no powder room on the main level.
That's a big con.
Especially when they say they entertain and want to have family over. So can we find where they can put a powder room? So you've got a pantry here. Okay, flow-wise, where it makes sense for me, albeit the dining room would be a little bit smaller, but you've got a space right here for a powder room.
Okay. I mean, I would love turnkey, but since that's not an option, I would like to be able to take something and completely personalize it.
I think it's smart. We're not gonna find this location under $1 million. We'll figure out the details.
JD will figure it out later.
So
Work your magic.
that's what I was waiting to find out. The listing agent told me that they decided to list the house at $925.
Okay.
Now, they're all in at $1.1 million.
Take down the bookshelf, create some more space. This way the flow feels a lot better.
This is why we don't need therapy. He takes it out on the walls.
Yes, the walls and this kitchen.
All right. Let's carry her out.
We're only a few days into this renovation, and already JD and Anna's house looks completely different. We've gutted the kitchen, demoed the coat closet, tore out the pantry for the new half bath, and started working on the arches for the new open entryway.
We're taking this whole ceiling out now?
Yes, that whole ceiling's coming down.
Well, what was going on?
I'm not feeling too good about this ceiling because in several areas, it's sagging. That's a telltale sign that it's become detached. And then you got all of that insulation sitting on there causing more weight.
That sounds expensive. Did you run that by Anna and JD before you did all of this?
I did. And JD said replace the ceiling because he wants the house done right.
Okay, well, luckily, we do have the wiggle room in the budget, and we can still give them what they want. So you want to take it off, redo it,
Take it all down and just
secure it.
redo it.
How much?
$5K, as long as we don't have any issues.
So our rental budget is now up to 120, still well below their 150 max. I'm feeling good about this so far.
With 8 weeks to go, we ripped out the old ceiling, we're all framed out, leveled the floors, and added walls to enclose the old sunroom. I have a question for you. What's this tape on the floor? Is this you?
So, no, actually, this is JD and Anna.
They came in tape, they snuck in?
They've been coming in the middle of the night. They want to just like do furniture placement. This is a first for me. Like I said, Anna and JD have very specific wants. So they have been coming in here late at night when everybody else is gone. And just, you know what, I probably would have done the same thing. Just imagining ourselves in the space, making sure it's everything we wanted it to be. We are 6 weeks from JD and Anna moving into their new place, and things are really moving along. We built out the new half bath off the kitchen and reframed the new dining room and office.
Just so we're on the same page, Mark.
What's that, bud?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the blocking here, come down with this piece, second piece here, and then I'm gonna bring one in the front to mimic this piece here.
Okay.
This way they can just put the logs in there.
Sounds like a plan.
All right?
Okay.
My wife came up with a cool idea to balance the fireplace out. We're gonna do a wood cove. What that is where you alcove?
What alcove?
Alcove, cove, tomato, same thing. Right?
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is create somewhat of a box, but it's gonna be open from the front. I'm gonna frame it out with 2x4s and then close it in with plywood. The alcove, did I say that right?
Yes.
Okay, the alcove will be the place where you store all your logs. So it's functional and it looks great.
And from the front, it's just gonna give more dimension to that all-white fireplace. It'll add some richness and warmth. Mike,
Yeah?
guess who I found creeping around?
Who? Oh my gosh. What are you doing here?
I'm busted.
Come on, take a look. Watch your step right here. So Mike told you they had to remove the drywall in the ceiling because it was bowing. So just correct it. But then I stood here and said it would be really cool to kind of vault it.
I mean, that could be a big bang for the buck.
I say vault it. So Mike, how much?
It's gonna be between 10 to 15,000. It's not a bad idea though.
I mean, that could be amazing.
Phenomenal. So we're vaulting the ceilings.
Cool, yeah.
So we never did reach JD and Anna's top overhead budget of 1.1 million. We got the house at 950,000. So they technically have another 30,000 to use if they wanted to. So for 10 or 15, we can take the entire ceiling up into a vault.
Yes.
That would be dramatic for this room.
Drama.
This is amazing. This is crazy. This is crazy.
Babe, I think this is gonna be fun because I'm used to clients with their budgetary constraints and then I'm having to dial back.
Right.
they're adding things on as we go, and I'll say, well, it's gonna cost. And they say, just tell us how much.
They want what they want. Over the past couple of weeks, we've started vaulting the ceilings above the fireplace. We also added drywall throughout, started installing the cabinets in the kitchen, and put down the white oak flooring in the new enclosed room. And with 4 weeks left, it's time to figure out what stain to use on the floors. What are you figuring to go with? A lighter or a darker color?
Well, I wanted to really just kind of see, because now that we've added additional windows and light, with our studio green cabinets, I'm loving the white oak, just natural, right? And Anna really wants natural elements throughout. So none of these then. Clear satin poly throughout so we can get the contrast of the cabinets with this floor. I think that's gonna make it feel a lot larger.
I agree.
All right, I'm out of here,
like
babe.
it.
So that's
Okay.
what we're gonna go with. Clear, satin, poly, love you.
Okay.
We're in the home stretch, just 2 weeks left in JD and Anna's renovation. We've brought in the sink for the new powder room. Lights have been installed in the office. Walls have been painted. Beams have been added to the ceilings. And I have an idea for the upper cabinets. Hey, Mike, I need you to hold this up. I'm trying to just confirm a look. See if maybe I need to change this out. Hold that up. I'm gonna have these back panels taken out of the cabinet and actually line the inside with the wire mesh. So I'm thinking if I do a tighter pattern and maybe more of a satin gold, that'll give me a little more bling and tie the kitchen together.
Go for it.
While Mike heads off to pick up some supplies we need, JD and Anna asked me to meet them at the house. I'm very intrigued to find out why. So I did get approval for the wallpaper. Guys, I'm over with JD and Anna now. They just walked in. Okay, great. I'll call you back. Hey, guys. How are y'all?
Hey.
Good. How are you?
Good.
First of all, wow.
I mean,
It's so different.
Amazing.
right? That's
Yeah,
what I was
amazing.
waiting for.
Yeah, this is total transformation, totally different. And the size of this island is so cool. I didn't think it would fit. Yeah, I didn't think it would fit. This is awesome. It's so
Right.
good.
I have an idea that I would love a waterfall for the island.
Okay. Do we waterfall it with what we have?
And natural stone, I think you
A
want.
natural stone, definitely.
So you want to check? Oh, you want to take this out?
Yes.
We got a big problem. Anna and JD do not like these countertops. And they did sign off on these, but Anna wants a natural stone now. We're in the business of customer service, which we believe is a lost art.
Right.
And we fully stand behind that. So what the customer wants, the customer gets.
Yeah.
Even with a few weeks until move-in day. So for another $15K, we can rush order the quartzite countertops of Anna's dreams and get them installed to keep this project on schedule. Are we in budget though?
We're still in budget, because right now I'm at their max at $150,000.
Well, considering all the changes they made, I think that's a victory.
Big time.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We are just 1 week away and counting down for JD and Anna moving into their new home. While the crew works on putting up the wallpaper in the office and sanding the floors, I'm heading to a specialty stone store with my team to pick out some quartzite countertops. Can we rush this order and have it in a week?
Yes, we can. Perfect.
This is exciting. And angle it in. Anna and JD move in tomorrow, and there is still so much to do. Blinds are being installed, appliances are going in. Mike and I are finishing up the wood cove to balance the fireplace aesthetic, while also finishing up my kitchen cabinet design. It is straight chaos, but organized chaos. I feel like this house has really put us through the ringer. See, that was a nice touch, babe. And it wasn't
Yeah.
anything complicated to create the little wood alcove, you know?
Cove.
Alcove.
What's the owl part of it?
It's a cove that you get in and you say, ow.
Hey, there they go.
Long time,
I'm
man.
so excited.
We did it.
I'm so excited.
All right. I know you guys more than anybody have been in and out this house during the process, but you weren't here last night, were you?
No.
Okay,
Oh,
good.
we've been here in like 2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a while.
All right. Well, you ready to go inside and see?
I am and I'm not. So I'm just, JD, you go first. I'm too nervous. JD, you go first.
All right.
To you, welcome home.
Oh my God. This is crazy.
It looks homey. It looks cool. It
amazing.
looks inviting.
Do you remember what
Right?
this room looked like? We had the bookshelf there, and although you had the fireplace, it wasn't really a focal point for the room, and I felt like you needed
Yeah.
a big, meaty, beautiful cast stone to
Yeah.
really anchor the
Gorgeous.
space.
Wait,
This
the
is
floors.
amazing.
Wait, the floors.
I was waiting for that one.
Yeah.
This is white oak, right? White oak
It
floors.
is, yes.
Yeah, this is perfect.
You know, we're gonna turn that into an
I
emoji.
know, that's a meme right there.
This is stunning.
This used to be the dining room of the house. Well, now you have an office. Didn't have that before in this house.
Amazing. Look at this. I love the wallpaper.
Yes,
Yeah.
has texture to it. It's not flat. You guys got into my head. You read my mind. Somebody tell JD how to do it. My life will be so much easier.
Please, give me the secrets.
You want to see the rest of the house?
Yes,
Come on.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. No way! The ceilings are awesome.
I love
it's
the
just open.
beams.
It's open.
Yeah, it
It's
feels
fantastic.
airy, it feels light. The wood wall is just
Yeah.
such a cool accent.
It's great.
So how does it feel? Sit on the sofa.
It
Tell me what you
feels
think.
perfect.
Feels
I wouldn't
perfect.
change a thing. It's
I
amazing.
love it. This
I
is
love
comfy.
this. Look at the dining room. It's a whole nother room. I mean,
This was a power move.
this is
This was a
huge.
great option.
By leveling the floor, opening this up, you've got all of this additional livable
Yes.
Yeah.
square footage.
This is awesome.
What are you
guys
thinking?
nailed it.
Going
I mean,
through
you
your head.
nailed
I
it.
know her faces are classic.
I
know.
just can't wait to see my friends' faces. They're gonna be so jealous.
How about the kitchen, though? How'd it turn out for you?
Gorgeous. Just all the details. This is awesome. It looks so good.
The countertops are awesome.
Okay, so you went with the quartzite over the marble. Although we changed them out, you spent $15,000. Was it worth the money spent to upgrade these countertops?
Worth it.
Yes, I love them.
Totally
I
worth it.
love them.
They look amazing. And the bar.
The bar,
The bar is great.
Whenever I hear colored cabinets, I just think like painted. Like I wanted dimension to it,
Okay.
and so I love it.
Okay, let's not forget though, this house didn't have a powder room,
Yes.
Correct.
and now you do.
Yeah.
Go check it
Needed
out over
that.
here.
Yeah.
I love the apron sink with the dark walls. This is moody. It's cool.
We had to have it.
Yes.
The house didn't work without it.
Yeah.
We needed the
this
powder.
is great.
Yeah.
When I walked in, I was like, yes, you got it. You understand me. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's been a pleasure. I just love every bit of it.
What they did was like amazing. Every room, every piece, the details from top to bottom, every little thing was perfect. Nailed it.
It was better than I could imagine.
Come on out here, guys.
Love it. Good job.
So you spent a lot of money.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So task number one, you purchased the house for $950,000. Our renovation budget's $150,000.
Yeah.
So all in, $1.1 million.
Worth every penny.
Here's the good news. A house just like yours.
know.
Let's hear it.
You ready? 4-bedroom, approximately same square footage, not even a quarter mile away. Just sold for $1.275.
Okay.
Instant.
However, the interior wasn't updated.
Didn't have Mike in Egypt.
That part.
Yeah. Bingo.
Not updated like this. I mean, if you said, okay, we're ready to sell today with the decisions that we made, I'd probably put it on the market right now for $1.375.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Nice.
to make that space part of the house,
Yeah.
that's what real value add
Big
was
time.
because
Yeah, that was a
you
good
added
call.
almost 300 square
Almost
feet.
300 square
Wow,
feet,
really?
yeah.
So knowing
Love
that
it.
you spent more, there's a lot of equity in
Yeah.
this
Yes.
house right now.
Numbers are great, and we totally love it. We want the investment, but we got to be happy.
Right.
And we are. We're so happy.
Yeah. And I just love it.
3 major keys of life: health, happiness, and peace.
100%.
You have your health.
Yeah.
You have your happiness.
100%.
Well, now let us give you some peace.
Oh, that's our exit.
We had an idea of what we wanted, and that's what I just didn't know how to fully execute it. But that's why I just am so appreciative of her and Mike that
They're great.
they just
Yeah.
understood what I was saying and then took it to a level.
And I love it. Yeah, we're not going anywhere.
Not for sale.